Welcome back to Decor channel. Today in this video I will show you the modern wall molding design ideas. Nowadays wall molding has become the popular choice for interior. Wall molding, also known as wall trim or molding, refer to the decorative strips of material used to cover transition between surfaces, add visual interest and enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room. It's typically installed on walls, ceilings or floor. Wall molding can be made from various materials such as number 1 wood, number 2 MDF, number 3 PVC and number 4 composite materials. It comes in different styles, profiles and designs to suit various interior design themes and architectural style. Wall molding provides architectural detail and texture, adding depth and visual interest to walls. It can be used in various styles from classic to modern and can be adapted to different rooms and design preferences. Vertical wall moldings in the living room is an arrangement trend that is gaining popularity due to its elegance and versatility. Decorative wall moldings give the interior a sophisticated look, subtly highlighting the structure of a wall and adding depth, which brings a modern yet timeless character to any room. If you want to ask any kind of question, you can do it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more inspiring home decor content. Thanks for watching the video till the end.